So my name is Uma Kaladi. I am a cloud solution architect, and I'm on the cloud incubation team, so we deal with some of the emerging technologies at VMware. The lab we're talking about today is VMware HCX Cross-Cloud Mobility Workshop. So the lab is basically going over some of the deployments of how you deploy HCX in general, and then how to migrate VMs over from a source to target site, and some of the cool features such as during that migration, it'll upgrade some of the VMware tools, VMware properties in general. So, and you can have some networking capabilities added on as well. So it goes through some of those details. A lot of customers use HCX in general, but a lot of the bigger customers who have large workloads to migrate over at one time, this tool really makes it intuitive and easy to migrate over those workloads. And you can have a level of automation, put in times and workload migration profiles and stuff, so you can customize it to the workloads itself. Yeah, so whatever ones you need to minimize downtime and such, you can do that, whereas if it doesn't matter, you don't have to, things like that. Yeah, for a lot of customers too, if they're trying to modernize their applications and if they're moving to a more modern environment, this kind of allows you to do that easier as well, because as I was saying, it'll sometimes upgrade in the process and stuff like that. It's a great tool. It's pretty applicable to everyone. It's one of VMware's most used tools as well, and you can use it with all the hyperscalers that we offer today. So it's a good tool.